नमस्ते बच्चों। India is famous for festivals. There are many festivals celebrated in India. अब हमारा अगला पाठ है हमारे त्योहार। हमारे त्योहार मीन्स our festivals. त्योहार festivals. आए रे आए त्योहार आए, अपने संग खुशियाँ भी लाए. That means here comes the festival. There come the festival. अपने संग खुशियाँ भी लाए. When the festival comes, it brings the happiness along with it. गुजिया के संग आई होली, रंगों से भीगी सबकी झोली. Gujia is a kind of sweet. The Holi festival brings the sweet along with it, because of which everyone's bag gets wet by colors. Holi is the festival of colors. Everyone will play using the colors. So, the author says, or the poet says, that everyone's bag get wet by colors. ईद की तो बात ही है निराली, गले मिलाती सेवैयां खिलाती. Eid is a very unique festival. Everyone will hug each other and eat the vermicelli. Sevaiya means it is a kind of dish which is prepared during Eid. रक्षाबंधन पर बहना हंसती हंसती आए, राखी बांधे तिलक लगाए, भैया को खूब सजाए. At the time of Raksha Bandhan, sister comes very happily to the brother's house, or the sister ties the thread in the brother's hand and keeps the tilak on the forehead and happily enjoys with the brother by decorating her brother. Raksha Bandhan is a festival in which the sister used to tie a thread to the brother. It is very happily celebrated by all the sisters and brothers. Next line. राम रावण की याद दिलाने देखो दशहरा आया, बुरे का अंत बुरा होता है, यही सबको सिखलाया. दिवाली पर दीप जलाकर खुशियाँ खूब मनाते, एक दूजे के गले मिलकर बच्चे खुश हो जाते. राम रावण की याद दिलाने, to remind about the Ram and Ravan, comes the festival Dashera. बुरे का अंत बुरा होता है. The evil gets destroyed only because of his bad things or the evil things which he has done. This is the lesson we got from the Ramayan story. दिवाली पर दीप जलाकर खुशियाँ खूब मनाते. On Diwali festival, we burn the diyas and celebrate this festival happily. एक दूजे के गले मिलाकर बच्चे खुश हो जाते. All the children hug their friends, hug each other and enjoy this festival. सर्दी साथ ले क्रिसमस आता, तोहफों की सौगात है लाता. Christmas brings winter along with it and brings lot of gifts. नया साल आने वाला है, Santa Claus बतलाता. Santa Claus says that new year is going to come. The new year is going to arrive soon. As soon as the Christmas ends, the new year begins. त्योहारों से भर जाएगा फिर से नया कैलेंडर, नया साल खुशियाँ लाए, सभी मनाओ जी भर. The new calendar is filled up with a lot of festivals again. Let the new year bring happiness to everyone and celebrate it wholeheartedly. This is a small poem on festivals celebrated in India. This is written by Milind Chhabra. He is a poet who has written this poem. Milind Chhabra. धन्यवाद बच्चों.